Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix top part of lock screen wallpaper getting blurred in iOS 26 on iPhone. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you should try is setting a new wallpaper but not from the iPhone Settings app. Instead, you need to set it directly from your Photos gallery. Open your Photos app and select the image you want to use as your wallpaper. Before setting it, tap the Edit button at the bottom and choose the Crop option. Next, tap the aspect ratio icon in the top right corner and select the Wallpaper option. Crop the image just a little, keeping as much of the original photo as possible so you don't lose important parts of the image. Once you're done, tap Share in the bottom left corner and choose Use as Wallpaper to apply it to your lock screen. Another solution is to turn off the Spatial Wallpaper option. When you're setting the wallpaper, look for the Spatial Wallpaper icon next to the three dots and disable it. While this feature adds a nice 3D effect to your lock screen, it can also cause bugs and make the top part of the wallpaper appear blurry. Turning it off often fixes the problem instantly. One more trick you can try is using a screenshot. Open the wallpaper image, zoom in until it fills the entire screen, and then take a screenshot by pressing the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Open the screenshot and set it as your lock screen wallpaper. This method can help remove the blur at the top of the image. And that's it. So that is how you can fix top part of lock screen wallpaper getting blurred in iOS 26 on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Thanks.